Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to send streaks on Snapchat. It's a actually easy thing. In Snapchat, the Snapchat streaks are both streaks and Snapchat streaks refer to the same feature. A streak will start when you send snaps to a friend for 3 consecutive days. Each streak will only be between you and one friend, meaning you can maintain more than one streak at once. After you send snaps to the people for 3 days straight, a fire emoji will appear beside their names. You can also see a number next to the fire emoji to indicate how long a streak has been going. For example, a 60 will show you that your streak with that person has lasted about 2 months. So yeah, you have to just send pictures, and from both sides there will be sent snaps so that you can get a streak. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.